Reed's valve operators provide the power to make valve turns easy. They are also portable and a useful tool for preventative maintenance and valve exercising. Both electric and pneumatic kits are available. The included utility clutch fits into power drives made for R12 Plus or 12R drop heads. The clutch protects the operator and prevents valve or other equipment damage by limiting the amount of operating torque that can be applied. Reed's clutch comes preset at 150 pound-feet of torque. A key feature of Reed's clutch is the ability to adjust to different torque settings up to 204 pound-feet. The included valve key extends from 4 to 9 feet, and recommended operation is at chest height for the best leverage. Insert the utility clutch into the power drive. Mount the tool onto the valve stem and begin turning the valve. The clutch can be secured to the stem using the set screw in the clutch. If the clutch slips, it has reached the torque limit. It will disengage when torque exceeds the preset value and automatically re-engage. This tool produces a high amount of torque. Operate so the direction of the rotation is away from the operator. Run the tool using both hands and maintain secure footing. Since Reed offers this adjustable torque clutch, an additional clutch may be useful when set to another torque limit. This is valuable for shops or utility companies that have valves with different torque capacities. To keep track of turns, add the digital counter accessory to help the operator. This counter mounts to the top of the assembly. It is removable and can be stored separately when not in use.